So let's take a look at some navigation basics in MediaCentral Cloud UX. And to do that, we're starting with the dashboard, but let's go ahead and open up the Browse app. So this time I can see my MediaCentral production module, and I'm simply going to navigate through to where I've got some footage that I want to use. So you can see here I'm simply navigating through the folders. I could of course open the folder tree here, but I just want to click through the folders to get to where I want to see the footage. If I double click on a clip, it's going to load into my asset inspector here at the right hand side. This of course gives me access to a video player, but I can also see metadata from here. I can look at audio levels as well. Now of course once the clip is in here, I can come in and of course I could resize the player. That's not a problem. And of course I can play the clip back.
I love working in documentaries because I feel like it has the power to open people's minds.
Now here you can see I can go ahead and I can resize the player while the interviewee is talking. I can also scale the screen, and you see how the rest of the screen scales automatically with it as well. So it's a really new lightweight web design that we're using in MediaCentral Cloud UX that lets me do all of this different work as well. The other features I'll also be able to do inside MediaCentral Cloud UX is actually preview the clips direct in the folder itself. Stay tuned for a later video where we'll go into that in more detail. So one of the things about MediaCentral Cloud UX, as we mentioned before, is how quick it is to switch between different apps depending on what you want to do. But also when I have apps open, I can go ahead and I can dock apps. So you can see here I've now docked the Browse app at the left hand side. I've still got the video clip that I was playing earlier on available to me, but I can go ahead, I can dock it here, I could click on the X to close it, and of course I could then come in and I could open up a new app. So this time when I open up the search app, you see the search app opens up here in the middle. Again, I can come in and I can close it down. Again, with the Browse app here, I can scale the video player, make the asset inspector bigger or smaller, retain the dashboard in the middle, or I can make the Browse app full width and push it across here again as well. So these are just some of the very basics of navigating around the screen inside MediaCentral Cloud UX. I also have a breadcrumb trail. That makes it really easy for me to navigate back up the folders. For example, if I want to go into one of the other interviewees who's been interviewed for this particular project. This time, double click again, clip loads into the monitor itself. Nice and easy and straightforward, very simple for me to use and very logical for me to use based on the new design. Stay tuned for more videos to come on MediaCentral Cloud UX.